Good evening, everyone. Hello, Soumya. Good evening. Let's wait for all the students to join, then we'll start off with our course class, okay? So today is the third class in our question practice series. Good evening. Hello, Mayank. So this is our third class in our question practice series, right? So today we'll be discussing few more questions. We'll try to cover up few more important topics so that you can get a very good understanding regarding how should you actually proceed in the topics, how should you actually target out the topics. Okay, let's wait for the students to join, then we'll begin. Okay, and those of you who are joining new, make sure you subscribe to Botany Insider. Make sure you are downloading our application. We have our own application, and share our application to each of your classmates and everyone. Let's hit 10,000 subscribers very soon. Okay, so we have our application both on the Android and the iOS. You can download the application from any of the software devices you are using, whether Apple or the other one. You can download the application and enroll in a number of courses running right now. So the very first one is the crash course, that is the Mission CSIR June 2023. So if you're struggling out with structured revision, if you're struggling out with structured preparation, how should you revise? Okay, so start off with this. This would help you out to revise very nicely. Okay, so we have PYQ pointers, hard copy included in the same course. You can download the application. The course started yesterday. You will be getting all the recordings, every single thing in a same course. So this one is a crash course if you are wishing out for revision, and if you feel like going for the complete course, so we have a full course also running for all the students. So if you are a beginner, go for the target one, and if you are revising, go for the crash course. Okay, whatever it suits you, you can download the application and get yourself enrolled. And we also have CSIR notes booklet. These booklets would help you to revise. These booklets would help you to understand the concepts in the best manner possible. Okay, so this was about it. This is the very first question for you all, and this question is related to unit number 1. The topic is enzymes. Okay, question is, the enzyme accelerates the rate of the reaction, or the enzyme accelerates the reaction by which of the following strategies? So these are the 4 options in front of you. Read the question and get the answer for this question, everyone. Everyone, give it a try. The question is, what is the reason, or which of the following strategies is used by the enzyme in order to accelerate the reaction? Acceleration means how is the enzyme helping to increase the rate of reaction. Okay, other students also mark the answers. First option is decreasing the energy that is required to form the transition state, then increasing the kinetic energy of the substrate. Third option is increasing the free energy difference between the substrate and the product, and the last one is increasing the turnover numbers in the number of enzymes. Okay, we have B, A. Every student, please mark the answers. Give it a try. It's very simple. Even if you get the answer incorrect, absolutely fine, but still give it a try. Okay. Then I'll make you explain the complete mechanism, like very brief mechanism I'll make you explain for the enzymes. Quickly mark the answers. We have 7 students in the class. Priyanka B. Okay. Others also mark the answers. It is one of the topic from unit number 1, that is biochemistry. Okay, let's discuss this question now. So the question is asking, enzyme accelerate the rate of the reaction by which of the following strategies? So the answer for this particular question is option number 1, that is via decreasing the energy that is required to form the transition state. What does this mean? So before this, what is an enzyme? So enzyme, it is a biocatalyst that helps to increase the rate of the reaction. How? By decreasing the energy that is required, by decreasing the energy that is needed by the substrate in order to reach to a state that it could get converted into the product. Okay, so we call it as that it helps to decrease the energy, which is known as the activation energy. It is also abbreviated as EA. So it is activation, yes, lowering the activation energy. Yes, it is the technical term is given the name of that it helps to decrease the activation energy. And if you read the 4 options given in front of you, so the best matching is via the first one, that it helps to decrease the energy which is required to form the transition state, right? So very good, the person who has marked the answer correct with the name of HH. So very good, your answer is correct. And those of you who have got the answer incorrect, I hope the question is clear to you. Yes, is it clear to everyone? So this particular topic is very, very important, and time and again question gets repeated in the examination. So make sure that you are making a very good understanding of the same with the way you are preparing. So make sure that this topic gets covered very nicely. Okay, this was the first question. Now this is the second question in front of you. The question is, the predominant interactions between the phospholipids that stabilizes a biochemical membrane, that stabilizes a biological membrane includes which of the following? 4 options in front of you. It is asking which of the interactions, or interaction in simple word means which of the bonds are the ones which helps in the stabilization of the biological membranes. 4 options. First option is hydrogen bonds and the covalent interaction. Second option is van der Waals forces and the ionic interaction. Third is hydrophobic interactions and hydrogen bonding. And the fourth option is covalent and the hydrophobic interactions. Get the answer for this question, everyone. Quickly mark the answers. Then we'll solve it out together. Done, everyone? See, very good everyone, excellent. Now let's give it a try. Let's get the answer for this question. Yes, the answer for this particular question is option number C. Very good. Those of you gave the answer, all of you gave the answer correct. Very good. So see, it is asking us which is the predominant interaction between the phospholipid that stabilizes a biological membrane. Okay, so very first thing is always remember that covalent bonds cannot be there. Okay, so you can easily mark, or you can easily remove out option number A and option number D on the first go itself. Okay, so hydrogen bonding and covalent interactions, like hydrogen bonding for sure is very important. So option number C could be taken into consideration, and if you remove out covalent bonds, so option A, D removed, and van der Waals forces, ionic interactions, both of them do play important role, but most importantly it is the hydrogen bonding and the hydrophobic interactions. Okay, so answer for this question is option number C. You can eliminate easily, and reason for not having covalent interactions in case of the biological membranes is because covalent bonds are the strongest in nature, first thing, and second thing, because in the biological membrane there need not to be a very stable, very covalent, like very strong bond, because there is constant breaking and formation of the bonds in the complete biological membrane. So that is the reason why covalent bonds are not there in biological membrane stabilization. Clear? Answer is option number C. I hope this is clear. Next question for you all. Again, very important question. Question is, you have the biosynthesis of purine given in front of you. These all questions are previous years of CSIR. This is the figure in front of you, and you need to find out that out of the 4 options, which of them is giving the exact or the correct source. Okay, so you have N1, C2, N3. So this is a structure of purine, and you need to find out, or it is a factual question. This is completely based upon facts. You need to find out N1, what is the source of the first nitrogen, what is the source of third nitrogen, and all the other things that is given over here. So everyone, give it a try, then I'll explain you how to remember this, and I'll give you a complete overview as well. Quickly mark the answers. Okay. Others also get the answer. Then we'll discuss. Very good. So Mayank is writing B, HH is writing B, other students as well. Quickly mark the answers. Quickly, very simple question. Okay, let's check. So the answer for this particular question is yes, option number B. Let's understand and let's revise it as well. Yes, the answer is option number B. Very good. So this is how the complete biosynthesis of purine looks like. See, I have added my own notes itself. Okay, so this is my own self-made notes from my notebook itself. I have taken a snap and I've kept it here. So in the biosynthesis of purine, you have this complete structure, and in this complete structure, the very first nitrogen is from the aspartate. Second carbon is from the N10 formyl tetrahydrofluorate or the formate. Third and ninth nitrogen is from the glutamine. Eighth carbon is from the N10 formyl tetrahydrofluorate. Fourth carbon, fifth carbon and seventh nitrogen is from the glycine, and the sixth carbon is from the CO2, from the bicarbonate. Okay, so remember these sources. The question has been asked in the examination previously, so there are high chances we could get the same question repeated, maybe in the same format or maybe in match the following type of format or whatever, but you can get but you can make out that this particular question is important or this particular topic is very important. Okay, so I've listed down the sources over here as well. You can keep a note of it, you can take a screenshot and you can prepare your own notes as well. Okay, so this is about this particular question. Is this question clear to everyone? Yes or no? Then we'll switch over to our next question. So these were the 3 questions for you from the enzymes and simple topic. Now this is the first question of general aptitude. Every day we are having 3 topic question and 2 general aptitude question, right? So this is your general aptitude question. The question is, of the 4 agents alpha, beta, gamma, delta, alpha, beta, gamma and delta, so 3 have to be sent on a mission together. If alpha and beta cannot go together, now over here it has given you some information that alpha and beta cannot go together, gamma and delta cannot go together, then gamma and delta cannot go together, then it is saying beta and gamma cannot go, then okay, beta and gamma also cannot go together. So these 3 are the generalizations given to you. Okay, now you have to get which of these holds correct. Now this is the complete question. It is an analytical question. Okay, get the answer for this particular question. Take your time and get the answer. Read the question properly, you will get the answer. It's very simple. You just need to keep into mind all the possibilities given to you. Okay, get the answer everyone. Mark the answers in the chat section itself. C, D, B, okay, very good. Let's give it a try. So see, it is saying that there are 4 agents. Let me erase it. Okay, so it's saying that there are 4 agents, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Okay, there are 4 agents, and out of these 4 we need to make an arrangement in such a manner that 3 of them need to be sent on a mission. Correct? Now we are given some kind of like restrictions are there, and that is, we can say that alpha and beta are not friends together, so they won't be going together. You can take it that way. Okay, hello Shalini. So you have alpha and beta, right? So alpha and beta won't be going together, right? This is the first condition given to us. Then the second condition is beta and gamma cannot go together. That means you have beta, you have gamma, they both also cannot go together. Correct? Then it is gamma and delta. That is, gamma and delta, they also cannot go together. These are the three conditions given in front of you which we have to make sure. Okay, so these are the three missions, right? These are the three conditions. Now let's look into each of the options and then we'll mark the answer. First one is any three agents could be sent. Let's try. So you have alpha, beta and gamma. Let's say we are first sending alpha, beta, gamma because it is saying any three agents. So alpha, beta and gamma, can we send them together? Alpha and beta cannot go together. So this is not possible. Let's try out other way. Let's say we have beta, gamma and delta. So can these three go together? No, because we have two conditions. So first option is incorrect for sure. Second option is saying, let's say we'll be sending alpha, delta and either alpha, delta and beta and alpha, delta and gamma. Okay, so because it is saying alpha and delta together are going. In addition, either one of them is beta or one of them is gamma. Okay, let's check this one. So first one is alpha. Okay, we are sending alpha, but alpha and beta cannot go together, right? So this is again incorrect. Then it's saying alpha is going, okay. Then it is saying gamma, okay, no relation, they both can go, but delta is also going, but gamma and delta cannot go together. B option is again incorrect, right? Let's look into the third option. Third option is beta and gamma. Beta and gamma are going together. No, that is on the very first go itself not possible, right? They cannot go together. So we'll say that this mission is not possible. Why? Because we are not able to make down any kind of arrangement, any kind of possibility where we can have at least any three of them going together. Okay, so answer for this particular question is option number D. So those of you who gave the answer as D, that is Selva gave the answer D and Shalini, very good. Those of you who gave the answer as D, your answer is correct, and those of you have given the answer wrong, I hope the question is now clear to everyone. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is the second question in front of you. The question is saying that you have an open rectangular box as in given in front of you. It is made up by excluding the four corners. So we are excluding first corner, we are excluding second corner, then the third corner and the fourth corner, right? It is asking that if we exclude these corners and we draw a box, we are drawing a normal box with the help of the folding. It is asking what will be the capacity of the box. So capacity refers to the volume. Okay, so you need to find out the volume of the box. Get the answer, everyone. It's very simple. If you mark down it nicely, you'll be able to get the answer very, very nicely. Okay. It's very simple. Last question for the day. Mark the answers, everyone. Yes, I'll tell how to solve it. Let everyone solve it first. Okay, Mike is writing the answer as C, Selva as D. Other students quickly mark the answers. Very simple. Like if you remember the formula, you can easily mark the answers. Okay, Pravalika is writing the answer as C. Very good, Pravalika. Okay, let's give it a try. So see, this is a rectangular box given in front of us. So the length is also given as 40 and the breadth is also given to us as 40. Okay, so now we are excluding this, and what is it shown? That this one side is 10. So if we are excluding 10 from both of the end, this would be what? This would be 20, and over here as well it would be 20. So, and what would be the height? Because we are folding it for 10 centimeters. So length would be 20, breadth would be 20, and height would be 10, right? So what is the capacity? Capacity, or the formula of capacity, is length into breadth into height. Okay, so 20 into 20 into 10, when you calculate it, it is equal to 4000 meter square, sorry, 4000 centimeter square, because it is asking in centimeter square. So answer is 4000 centimeter square. Okay, those of you who gave the answer correct, very good. Mayank gave the answer correct, Pravalika gave the answer correct, excellent. And Shalini and Selva, I hope now your doubt is clear and you have got your answer correct. Yes, length into breadth into height. Very good. Clear everyone? Excellent. So in the same manner, we are having same like questions discussed in the general aptitude sessions, in various other sessions. So make sure, if you wish to like have a structured revision with us, come to our crash course. It started on 6th of February, that is yesterday we started off the course. Every day 1.5 hour class, structured revision for the June 2023 examinations. Okay, you take 30. Okay, so you have to exclude it from both the sides, 10 and 10. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow now everyone, same timing, 8 o'clock. Make sure that you are enrolling in our courses. All the structured courses are waiting for you to have a very good revision. Or if you are a beginner, if you wish to give it a try to the upcoming exam with a structured revision, go for the full course that is running currently on the application for the beginners. And if you are revising, this particular course would help you out. Okay, so thank you for joining in. Let's meet tomorrow and let's hit 10,000 subscribers very soon. Please share about the application, please share about Botany Insider to all the students. Okay, thank you so much for joining in. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye everyone.